Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Smartsheet, or at least create that merge cell effect, since Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in merge button like you might see in Excel or Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know a few simple tricks to tidy up your sheets and make your data look cleaner and easier to read, even without a merge button. Let's dive in, starting with the most fundamental point. There actually isn't a dedicated merge feature available in Smartsheet right now. That might throw you off if you're used to other spreadsheet tools, but don't worry, there are a few clever workarounds that get you almost the same result, and I'll walk you through each of them step by step. Okay, so the first thing you can do, and this is especially helpful if you're just trying to make your text fit nicely across columns, is adjust the size of your columns. Just hover your mouse over the line between two column headers, click and drag to resize. This is a little like stretching your shirt to fit better. You're not technically merging the cells, but you are making more space for your data to breathe. If you've got, let's say, a project name that's spilling over into the next column, simply drag that divider to give the text all the room it needs, and it'll look much neater. So don't skip this step. Sometimes the simplest solution is all you really need, and it keeps your sheet looking organized. Now, sometimes resizing just isn't enough, especially if you have several lines of information in one cell. That's where text wrapping comes in. When you enable wrapping, Smartsheet will automatically take anything that doesn't fit in the cell's width and drop it down to the next line within that same cell. To turn wrapping on, you'll usually find a formatting toolbar at the top. Click the wrapping icon, which looks a bit like a curved arrow or a box with lines. This is like folding a long letter to fit inside an envelope. You're not expanding outward, but letting the content nestle in vertically. This is really helpful for things like notes, comments, or addresses, where it's important to see every word without endlessly scrolling sideways. But what if you actually want to combine the content from two different cells, say a first name in one cell and a last name in the next? Since there's no merge feature, you can get the same effect using a simple formula. Click into a blank cell where you want the merged text to appear. Type the equals sign, then click on the first cell you want to combine, type a plus sign, and then click on the second cell. For example, if you want to join cell A2 and B2, your formula would look like this, equals A2 plus B2. Hit enter and Smartsheet will display the contents together, almost like they're merged. This is a fantastic trick for generating labels, full names, or anyone who needs combined info for reports. Now you might notice that when you use that basic formula, the text sometimes runs together without any spaces. If you want a space between the two bits of information, for example, to show John Smith instead of John Smith, here, how you do it. Still start with the equals sign, click your first cell, then add a plus sign, and next you'll type a space inside quotation marks. So it's equals A2 plus B2. This tells Smartsheet to insert a space character between whatever is in those two cells. When you press enter, you'll see a clean, nicely formatted result, and that's it. Even though Smartsheet doesn't have a merge button, with just a couple of these tips, you can manage your data like a pro and achieve nearly the same effect. Give these methods a try on your own sheets. I promise, with a little practice, you'll get comfortable in no time. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to learn more Smartsheet tricks, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.